Hi guys, my name is Akshay. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we had seen the navigating in Solidworks. If you have not seen that video, then the link is in the description below. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a new template in Solidworks. So let's get started. When we start designing a new document inside SolidWorks, it offers us three documents as part, assembly and drawing. Also, these are the individual templates to open the corresponding document. Also, we have the option to choose the advanced button. Let's click on it. And down here, bunch of templates available with the corresponding category for part, assembly and drawing. You can create your own as many templates as you want. For now, let's go and open the primary part document. Now, first thing first, let's go to this option. We can change the system option as well as the document property for setting up our template. But for instance, I will go to the unit and change my unit systems from mmgs to cgs, and down here also change my length precision from 2 decimal to 3 decimal, and for also angle will change my 2 decimal to 3 decimal. And once I am done, click OK. As we are setting up this template for aluminium sheet metals job, so I will set my material to aluminium 2024, and also we should have the sheet metals feature, so I will right click here and add the sheet metal feature as well. And also I want to change my background color from default to rooftop. So I think I am okay with all my setting for this template. So one more thing I have to make sure that before saving this template, so we have to go once again in option and select the file location. So where exactly I want to save this template. So this is the showing that document template. There are a bunch of options available to selecting the different tools like bomb template, color swatches, like design tables and so on. So for now we are looking out for the document template. So I will go and add my template location, which is on the desktop for this course, which is in the exercise file, and here template, which I have made this folder earlier. Now I select this folder and now selecting, now it is gone added over here. So once you have done, click OK. So now go to the file and go for save as and select the directory that which we have selected. Now give a sensible name as a sheet metal. We will give it name as a sheet metal CGS for centimeter grams seconds, and change my save as type from part to the part template. Dot has a extension for this. So now I'm going and save this. So once again, when we go and start for the new document, you can see that our new template has been added as the sheet metal CGS. So likewise, you can add as many templates as you want for your vendors, for your projects, for your products, different type of or any other style you want to work. So go ahead and add as many as template you want and make your work easier. So guys, this was all about creating a new template in SolidWorks. Hope you have enjoyed the video, so please do like, share with your friend, and if you have any questions regarding this video, then please comment down below. We will get back to you soon. If you want to get update on this type of video, then please subscribe and hit to the bell icon. Thank you.